Right, this is the main control panel that comes standard on every single motorhome. It consists out of 6 buttons and some information over here. The main button switches everything on and off except the fridges. So all the lights will be switched off with the main button. The button below it is the outside light. The outside light will switch off the moment you start the car and the ignition's on. It will switch off by itself, so you will never drive with the light on. But the second button here switches it on and off. That's the pump. You can hear the pump running. The pump works on pressure, which means that it will build pressure in the system, and then once pressure is reached, it will switch off. When you open a tap, the water will flow, the pump will start up again. You close the tap, the pump will carry on running a little bit until it builds up pressure again, and then it will switch off. You need to switch on this button to be able for the pump to work. It is not needed for the system to be pressurized all the time. So when you finish using all the water, or you're just done for the day, switch it off and everything will be fine. That button over here with the little camper sign on it shows you the level of the camper batteries, so the house batteries. It will light up all these LEDs on top and it will show you approximately how full the batteries are. Bearing in mind that it's voltage related. So it's the voltage of the battery. At the moment we are in charge mode, the 220 is plugged in, and this particular Victron energy system is on absorption mode, which means it's charging, so it's pumping 13.8 volts into the batteries. That's why it shows you the batteries are full. So it is voltage related, so it's an indication. It's not a perfect science how full the batteries are, but it gives you an indication. The same with the car battery, which is the second button. The car battery at the moment shows also full. That's because this Victron energy system here also lets through a limited amount of current to charge the car battery. That one also shows you how it's full. But again, it's voltage based. Then the bottom one is the water that you have in your current system. At the moment it shows you that you have 75% of water in the tanks. So that is reasonably accurate depending on your chosen size of tanks. Of course you can relate it back to how much liters you have. So we showed you that info screen here. That's to do with all the batteries and the water levels. Then you will see here, as I push the house battery light will go on. Same with the car battery, same with the water. It shows you whatever is showing there, what light you've got. The last light is for grey water. We hardly use that one in Motorhome-World, where we couple up a light for grey water. The two little lights at the bottom, you'll see now the one on the right is plugged in. It's a little plug, and that light is on, and it shows you that the system is plugged into the campsite. So you are getting power coming in. The other one shows you 2 batteries that are connected. So the moment you start the car and the alternator is running, it will light that little light up. It just gives you a positive identification that you are charging the house batteries on the engine side, on the alternator side. Okay, so that's our main control panel.